What's up, Gadget Squad? Welcome to our first Vlogmas together. Like, comment, subscribe. Let's get into it. Today we're going over what's known as the Jedi torch lighter. Someone in the comments actually requested this, and I'm glad I got it, just because it's the strongest one in my collection. You'll see soon. Okay, inside the box we have fuel nozzle caps, the instruction manual on how to fill it, which we went over and we'll go over again briefly. I had to set this to the side because the main attraction is here, the Jedi torch lighter. So diving in, it has a safety lock. To the left, we'll be unlocking it. To the right, you'll lock it, and you can press on the ignition. This is gonna be the flame adjuster. Pushing it to the left minimizes the flame. Pushing it to the right increases it. Here's your fuel nozzle. So this is where you'll fill it with butane. As always, the first thing you want to do is bleed out the tank. Make sure there's no fuel in there. So that's step one. Let's do that with the air bleed tool 2.0. After adjusting your flame size all the way to the minimum, let's fill it up with butane. Remember, 15 seconds. I recommend reaching those 15 seconds with 5-second intervals. After letting the fuel digest for 2 minutes, adjust your flame size and there you go. We're starting at the minimum and then we're gonna adjust it. Let's go to medium. Let's turn up the heat. Look at that. Definitely the most strongest in my collection. Then we can max it. Someone called Darth Vader because I'm not worried. Let me just show you how it fares against some standard torch. Oh yeah, the difference is definitely there. You can see it. Yeah, I'm ready. Let's do the styrofoam test. This test is simple. Basically, I hold the lighter up against the cup for 5 seconds and see how much it eats away at it. Let's just see. 5 seconds. Let's see if it lasts. I want to take this moment and thank the person who recommended this one to me. Like I said earlier, this is definitely the strongest one in my collection, as you clearly see here. Thank you, and thanks everyone for watching. Like, comment, subscribe for more, and like always, peace.